Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will use Fusion 360 to create and animate various joints from components. We will go through the basic joints. You can use it to create number of different mechanisms. So guys, let's get started. This is a simple wooden door. As you can see, we have created various bodies. For adding joints, we need to create components from bodies. Simply right click on Bodies menu and select Create Components from Bodies. As you can see, our components have been created from the existing bodies. Now, let's add joints to this. Click on Assemble menu and select the Joint command. Select the first point of contact followed by the second point of contact. You can adjust the position by simply dragging it using the arrow buttons. You can also place the component at a particular angle according to requirement. Next, we add motion to the joints. We have a list of different motion types such as rigid, revolute, slider, cylindrical, and so on. For the door mechanism, we will use revolute. Once you add the joint, you will see that the whole component moves if you try to turn the door. To fix this, we need to lock the position of component 2. Simply right click on the component and select ground. Select capture position. Now, you can see that we can freely move the door about its axis. You can also set constraints to the extent of the revolution. Go to the timeline and right click on the joints icon. Click on Edit Joint Limits. You can add the minimum and maximum limits to the motion according to your requirements. Animate the motion and check if you are satisfied with the motion. Once done, click on OK. Now, if you try to move it, it will only move within the specified limits. Similarly, this is the mechanism of a windmill using the revolute command. You can experiment with different motion types. I would love to see your creativity. I have used the revolute joint in the clock for the movement of the door and the clock hands. Our next mechanism is slider mechanism. Here we have two components. One would be the base and the second would slide over the base. Select joint and then select the contact points. For this motion, select slider. Right now, it's sliding along the z-axis. Set the axis according to your requirement. You can see that it's sliding beyond its limits. So let's add some constraints to this. Go to Edit Joint Limits and set your motion limits. Perfect. Now we have the desired motion range. In the alarm clock, I have used the slider mechanism for the bird movement. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, let me know down in the comments below what you would like to see next.